Hi everyone, today we introduce you the construction of our 300 type copperware granulator. We also call it 400-mini. Okay, first one, the crusher and the vacuum bed. This is the downside blower. It contact with the filter box. And this is the dust collection system. Connect to the air separator, crusher. Okay, this is a filter bag. Okay, here we go. Here's our cabinet. And this is the front vacuum screen, which is used to separate the brass from the copper circuits. And in the behind, we also have a vacuum screen. It's used to separate the plastic from the small copper circuits. That is our water cooling tower used to cool the crusher. Okay, this will introduce you the adjustable part of this machine. First is the crusher. We can open it and adjust the distance between the fixed blades and the rotary blades. And there's here we go. There we can change the crusher sieve. According to the size of the cables, we can choose the different size of the crusher sieve. And the vacuum screen is also adjustable. We can adjust the frequency to adjust the feeding speed, the auto lighting speed. And the pressure of the downside blower is also adjustable. Here the last part, the valves of the dust collector. One is used to suck the dust of the air separator, the other is used to separate the dust of the crusher. It's also adjustable. Okay, if you already have this machine, we show you how to adjust it. First, we need to balance it. You see, the ground should, most of the ground is not flat. We have to use some iron pads to balance the machine. In case of the shaking, adjust the, affect the performance. And for the vacuum screen, we can also put some rubber pads under it to make sure it won't move during the work. And now we show you how to adjust the machine. First, turn on the power, and then start the vacuum bed. Adjust the initial value into 35. And now we check the condition of the machine. It should not shake. And you check the airing pads, and if you found some part is loose, then we balance it again. Now we start testing with the material. First, we feed the material to the crusher, and then we go to the back side to check the condition. Material was separately cover the whole screen. Material now start the separation. The copper go to the front and the plastic go back. Remember the initial value of this vacuum bag and the pressure of the outside blower. During the process, we have to check the condition of the material from this side. The material should go either right side or left side. This should cover the spring evenly. See, if the copper is coming in the middle, cover if it's coming in the middle, then the purity will be high, extremely high. Okay, here we go. Here's today we show you how to adjust this machine.